How to add an overlay on CapCut PC. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add an overlay on your CapCut PC. Let's just get right in. As you can see here, I have this little video imported on my timeline. So if I want to add another video on top of it, or overlay it or split it side by side, what I can do is simply go ahead and play the video. So let me just delete this real quick. I'm going to add this video first and then add this again. But as you can see, these two videos are on the same timeline. So what I can do here is go ahead and take one and then bring it on top of another one, adjust its size so that it is the same length. Now, if I play it, only this video will show up on the screen, but this video is now hidden underneath it. So what I'm going to do is create a split screen kind of effect to add the overlay. I'm going to go ahead and click on the mask option, add mask, split, and let's say if I split it horizontally or vertically, that's totally up to you. So let's say on the left side, I want the ocean, and on the right side, I want the birds. So after doing this split, you can just go ahead and play the video. And as you can see now, you've successfully added an overlay on top of it. If you want, you could also do a rectangle. Select only certain part of the video that you want on top, adjust it. You could add different kind of keyframes as well. So let's say if I want the color of my water to change. So if I just go ahead and bring it right here, bring it down like this. Now only the water is covered and the sky is the same. So that's how you do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.